Alright guys, so I have a HP 15 ba015wm. So it's been a long time since I've posted a video of laptop disassembler. The problem with this one here is that the hard drive, it's working, but it's working a little slow. And what the customer want is for us to take out the hard drive that is inside of it right about now, and we're gonna be putting in the SSD hard drive inside of it. So we have this Kingston hard drive here. It's a Kingston. It's 250. It's 120 gigabytes actually. I hope this actually works. I don't really want to put this inside the computer, but I'm gonna put this inside and see what happens, see how it performs, and so on. So basically, I have to disassemble the computer and go inside of it to put in this hard drive. So I've never disassembled this computer before. First, I'm gonna just take out the battery, and let me just get this thing here. So this, I use this. So basically, that's like magnet. So as I take out the screws, once they come out, I normally just put this screw there, sticks on there. So basically, I have these two screws here of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 screws I have to take out to get into this laptop here. So this is a new design, you know. The older computers, you just have to just, you know, take out a small piece here and you just get to the hard drive. But these newer computers, you have to take out the whole back or sometimes the whole front just to get to the hard drive. You know, what do you guys think? You guys prefer this new way, or you guys prefer the older way of disassembling a computer, a laptop especially? So let me know in the comments below what you guys like. Also, you guys please don't forget to subscribe. I know all of us have like a busy schedule, but sometimes when you just see your subscribers going up, it just helps you to motivate you to make more videos, because you know that's people that are interested in what you're doing. And don't forget to leave a like whenever you could. So I've taken out the screws, and I've, as you can see, taken out the CD drive. So I use this thing. I'm gonna pry up here. Actually, just now push down back this. So alright, so see there's something is stiff here. Alright, let me just open up this. See. Alright, something else is keeping this thing from opening up. Now there's a screw here. Yep. There's a screw here. Guys, check this out. There are two screws here. Check it, because it was stiff. I wonder why it was still stiff. So let me just get these two out here. Normally you could go online and you could finally find a tutorial of someone that already knows on these computers, but I disassemble them. But the good thing about it, when you do it like this, you're learning, and it's an adventure. So we have to take out the hard drive now. One thing I like about the new design of these computers is that even though you have to take out all these hard drives, all these screws to get to the hard drive, it's actually pretty simple when you get inside. It's not that difficult. All the components. And check, you open it up, you see all these things in front of you. So the parts are easier to change. But what I don't like about it is that if you take a good look at the keyboard, because of the keyboard design, um, now to some of these computers, to change the keyboard you have to change the whole front. So that's something I don't really like about this new design. But other than that, the configuration of the components, I really like that. You have everything right in front of you. So that's it. So I have taken out the hard drive. I'm gonna screw this one up now. So take out this. Um, so that's it there. So it's time to screw it back. Wait a minute. I think I'm putting back these screws. Wow. This has to go. No. Yep. Like this. So this is a bit strange. Oh. Okay, so that's it there. You have to make sure that when you're screwing about these hard drives, you get it right, you know. Just not got my configurations that are wrong. Let's screw these up back. So I have quite a few computers I have to work on today. Right now, I'm actually updating a HP computer right about now, the OS. I'm updating a HP NV M6 Entertainment PC laptop. Actually updating right about now. That computer is a lot of trouble. And the reason why I say that is because while I was working on it, I realized that the plastic on it, it's brittle, it's very soft. So if you pry it too hard, it just breaks, you know? I don't know how it's that. What happened with that computer is that the screen was damaged. The bezel, it broke off. So where we live in here in Guyana, it's like sometimes it's difficult to like get parts and so. So what I had to do is paste it temporarily until I could actually get, say, until I can actually get the screen back for it, you know. So that's it. So the hard drive is back inside here. SSD 120 gig. So just gonna close this back here. I'm not gonna screw it back as yet. I'm gonna start the operating system reload now. Definitely gonna let you guys know how it goes. But that's it for now. I'm about to go and start the reload of the operating system, and I'll let you guys know how it goes, right? Alright, that's it for now. So don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Really appreciate that. Alright, catch you guys in the next one.